Yeah. Okay, today Ghost Hunters. Hey guys, it's Caitlin, and I'm here with my mom.
Hi.
And today we are doing the, what's this thing called again? Blindfold makeover. Okay, I'm gonna be doing my mom's makeup with a blindfold.
Just saying.
Okay. Now that I'm blindfolded, alright, we're gonna start. Okay. We're gonna start with foundation.
Why are you laughing?
Okay. You gotta get it all over the face. Okay. Think that's good? Now. Eyeshadow. Where's the brush? Alright, we're gonna pick a random color. This one. That's not a color.
No.
Is this a color?
Yes.
Right.
Why is this so funny?
Because I can't see anything. Alright, the back in there. Alright. Eyeliner.
Oh man.
It's the liquid stuff, so it's better. It's not a stick. Where is it? Where's the thing? I can't dip again. Can you help? What? Can you put the, let me dip it? Oh my gosh. Beautiful. Okay, can you put that in?
Yeah.
Okay. You're gonna sweat your makeup off. Alright. Now. I think this is the lid. This is mascara.
Really scared.
Alright, where's your eye? What? Am I doing a good job? Wait. I'm putting it in. There we go. Woo! Okay.
My eyes are watering.
What's last?
Oh yeah.
Oh yeah. Make it look like Miranda Sings. Don't laugh because it'll go in your teeth. Alright. Let's see this masterpiece. I'm probably crying. This poor scarf. If I can get it off. Oh my gosh. Okay, This is what you look at. It's so hard.
Why not?
Okay, put the light on. This is more of a day look. Alright, thanks for watching. Make sure to subscribe, like the video, and follow all my social networks. I'll put them in the bottom. And come back next Friday for another video. Bye!